Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn chapter 4 from grammar, that is, articles. Let us start. There are three articles in English language: a, an, and the. These are the words that comes before nouns and indicate the definiteness of a noun. Nouns, we will learn the concept of these. आर्टिकल्स तीन होते हैं: ए, एन एंड द. द वर्ड ए एंड द आर आर्टिकल्स. वी यूज ए एंड एन टू टॉक अबाउट अ थिंग इन जनरल. ए और एन हम वहाँ यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी भी थिंग्स के इन जनरल में जब हम बात करते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड indefinite articles. We use the to talk about a specific thing. जब कोई थिंग्स स्पेसिफिक होता है या पर्टिकुलर किसी थिंग्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, देन वी यूज द, और द इज कॉल्ड अ डेफिनिट आर्टिकल. नाउ fill in the blanks with a, an or the. The Red Fort is a popular tourist destination. The Red Fort. Red Fort is a particular monument. So we will put the. The burgers we had from that restaurant were good. Number 3. At the zoo, I saw an elephant. Number 4. Angie wants a pup for her birthday. 5. Brian is the Goan. 6. The dog that beat me ran away. The dog that beat me. Here we say particular dog. That dog who beat me, जो जिसने मुझे काटा वो भाग गया. I need a phone. Mr. Sastry is a teacher. That is an excellent film. The article a is used. Number 1. Before a singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sound. For example, singular countable nouns, कोई भी countable nouns जो singular एक वचन में है उसके पहले we will use a. He is a banker. I visited a zoo in Delhi. 2. Before a singular countable noun which starts with a vowel but has a consonant sound. सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन अगर वो वॉवेल वर्ड्स के साथ स्टार्ट होता है लेकिन कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है तो भी हम लोग ए यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही स्टडीज इन अ यूनिवर्सिटी. यू is a vowel, but here sound is Y-O-U, you. Second, Mark is a European. Now, next, number 3, before an adjective that comes before a countable nouns. Countable noun के पहले adjective है, उसके पहले हम लोग a यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he is a good driver. Driver is a countable noun and good is an adjective. And we put a. We gave her a picture book. The article an is used. Where an is used? Let us see. Before a singular countable noun which begin with a vowel sound. Countable noun जिसके sound जो है वो vowel है, we will, for example, she is an actor. They live in an igloo. Number 2, before a singular countable noun which starts with a consonant but has a vowel sound. जो कॉन्सोनेंट वर्ड से स्टार्ट है लेकिन साउंड जो है वो वॉवेल साउंड है तो भी हम लोग उसके साथ एन यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हिज नेम स्टार्ट्स विथ एन एफ. एफ sound like EFF. He is an MP. M. EMM. Number 3. Before a silent H. For example, I will meet you an R. Here R spelling is HOUR, but H is silent. Second, he is an honest man. Now exercise 8, tick the correct option. An aeroplane, 2. An owl, 3. A coin, 4. An ant, 5. A brush, 6. A tent, 7. An orange, 8. A window, 9. An apple, 10. An art. Where article the is used. Let us see. First, when we talk about a particular noun, for example, the dog that beat me ran away. Second, the sun and the moon are heavenly bodies. Second, before names of rivers, oceans, seas and mountains, mountains, rivers, seas के नाम के पहले भी हम लोग the यूज़ करते हैं. For example, the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean, the Caspian Sea, the Himalayas. 3. Before names of books, newspaper and magazine, for example, the Panchtantra, the Times of India, the Outlook. Next, number 4. Before names of mountains and buildings, mountains और buildings के नाम के पहले भी हम लोग the यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल द रेड फोर्ट, द पार्लियामेंट हाउस, द नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ कंट्रीज विथ प्लूरल नाउन्स, अगर कंट्रीज का नाम प्लूरल में है देन वी विल यूज द. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द फिलीपींस, द मालदीव्स, द नीदरलैंड्स. Before the names of countries that contain the words republic, democratic, kingdom or states, for examples, the United States of America, the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. 7. Before nouns that are of certain cultures, for example, the Chinese dumplings, the Russian opera, the Indian Prime Minister. 8. Before superlative and ordinal numbers, for examples, superlative adjective words है तो भी हम लोग the use करेंगे. This is the tallest building in Delhi. Second, I met him the third time. The third time. Third is ordinal number at a mall. Now exercise B. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. I saw a strange bird yesterday. Second, the sun gives us light and heat. Third, do you have an umbrella? I need it. I need it. It may rain. 4. Is there any milk in the fridge? 5. The Char Minar is in Hyderabad. 6. It will take us an hour to reach there. 7. The Jhelum is a river in the state of Punjab. 8. Sahil is the tallest boy in his class. 9th. He is drinking a cup of coffee. 10. I want to be a pilot. My friend wants to be an astronaut. 11th. I have a friend who lives near Quest Mall. 12th. Yesterday was the coldest day of the season. 13th. I will have an apple and a banana for lunch. 14th. The Americans were the first to land on the moon. 15. I saw an eagle, an owl, and a peacock in the bird sanctuary. Now, today's homework, do exercise A and B from page number 11, 12, 13, and 14 in book. Thank you.